dala dyan, tatawagin lang.
Hello, good luck.
Thank you. Ay, wala. Sana po.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So yun po ang ating women junior. Naka-neutral po sila for one lap. Magbalik po nila, official start na tayo. 15 minutes, 1-5. So standby po ating women open. Kayo po susunod, women open.